What is going on, everyone? Today is January 26th. I'll be going over the trade recap. You know how it is. Listen to this song. All right, let's get into it. First of all, I'm going to start with my journal. I made $237 today. Only took one trade. For my reflection, I said great trade execution. One thing I would improve on more for the rest of this week is risking more with the right setups. Today, it wasn't necessarily a bad thing because it was a no news Monday and it wasn't an A plus setup, so it's okay that I was de-risked. But this week, I want to look for trades at a high probability and risk my max per trade, which is $250, right? And yeah, let's get into what happened today. So I'm going to use the replay tool and let's go. Before market open, I was bullish, right? And I want to explain why I was bullish, and it's because of the daily power of three. So we have midnight open right here, right? And what did we do after midnight open? We went up, we went down, and then we created two CISDs, right? This is the higher time frame CISD. And this is the 15-minute CISD right here. This is the 1 hour CISD, I think. And I was bullish because, first of all, on the daily, we are very, very bullish, right? This is exactly what I said. If you watched my TikTok video, I said I want to see us go into this volume imbalance, and this is good target, but I want to see us ultimately go higher. This is my weekly target right here, and this is my other weekly target. So I was very bullish going into the day, and the daily power of three confirmed that, right? I wanted to see this low stay safe, and I wanted to see this low stay safe, and that is exactly what happened. Dropping down to the 1 minute time frame, we will see what happened, right? It's 9:29, so market opens, and I don't know what these levels are. I don't know what this level is. I'm going to get rid of it. Oh, this is the CISD levels, right? Whatever. So market opens, sets it up, and then goes down, sweeping this liquidity. So this is really, really nice. This is called a double purge. So we're expecting this low to be safe for the rest of the day if we're bullish. And we're expecting this high to get taken out really fast. And that's exactly what happens. The high gets taken out. You could enter right here. I didn't take this trade because I'm not confident, but it plays out. Anyways, market just pumps, and that's all it's been doing. I haven't taken any trades yet. I'll show you what trades I took. And so I was looking for a retracement, and I like this one, but I don't believe that it was just no clear 5-minute gap that we went into. I was looking for a retracement into this gap, didn't really get it, but I still kind of wanted to take the trade. We left equal lows, so I was like, I'm not sure, right? Anyways, yeah, look. Oh, maybe we did. I can't tell. Anyways, no, I think we left equal lows. Market keeps pumping, and then we get expansion up, expansion up. I haven't taken any trades by this point. Again, I'll show you. But we're just kind of expanding up, and then we start retracing down, and this is where I wanted to take my trade. Anyways, the market goes up, and it hits the previous week's highs, and then it just kind of keeps going. I'm going to go show you my trade that I took now. Let's turn on executions. You can't really see it, but this is, you see how it says previous week's high right here? This is previous week's high. Anyways, back over here. This is the one trade I took. It wasn't the best trade. Let me see what it actually looked like. 2864.75. So I got my fill right here. My stop was at the bottom of this fair value gap. And so it was a 101 R trade. And I trailed my stop loss. I don't do take profits. I just trail my stop loss aggressively after I hit my target because I don't know what the market can give me, right? We can hit this level and run up, right? So I'm not gonna out here set take profits. And so I got out at 855, which I believe is like right here, 855.0. Yeah, at the bottom of this fair value gap, I got out right here. And I made on this trade, I copy traded my 3 accounts. I only made $80. This is my month so far. Well, my month so far, I made $80 on this trade across 3 accounts. I just bought 2 more combines because I want to have 5 accounts. And I mean, that is really all it is. I wasn't looking for any more trades because we already hit my target for the day. And I took a trade really deep in premium, so I was de-risked, obviously. Tomorrow is a no news Tuesday, and then Wednesday we got big boy FOMC, so hopefully that'll go good. And I mean, yeah, that's about it. I'm going to go back to my journal. I said the session breakdown said today was a buy day. The price opens up, sets a high and low, then purges the high, validating the classic model. That is one of the models that I trade. I have a reversal model, a classic model, and a protraction model. And those are all taught by Gaddy Trades using ICT concepts. Anyways, didn't happen very clearly on the 1 minute, but the 30-second looked much better. If I was looking on it at a 30-second time frame, I would have taken the trade. However, I wasn't. Price just pumps, retraces to some 1 minutes, then pumps more. So these were possible entries that I was thinking about taking, but I didn't take them because, right, we have our first presented gap right here, and price respects it perfectly multiple times, right? You could have taken it right here, could have taken it after we respected it again. I just didn't take them at all. And there was another really nice 1 minute that we kept. Oh, I guess this was a breakaway gap, huh? No, we actually did. We went to this 1 minute perfectly and closed up. So this would have been a good entry as well, but it is what it is, right? And then we see a strong retracement to some sell side and some sell side taken, followed by a strong displacement up in speed, took out the objective relatively fast. So what I mean by speed is this candle and this candle, they went fast, right? They didn't like slowly go up, go up, go up. No, this candle exploded up. You see how there's not even a bottom wick, barely a bottom wick here, barely a bottom wick here. They just exploded up, and that's exactly what you want to see when you want to enter a trade, right? You want to see speed. Anyways, that's all that it was for the today. Hoping for full green week, but we'll see how that goes, right? Anyways, thanks for watching this trade recap. Again, listen to this song.